If you're considering buying Help Scout for your business, there are a few things you need to know first to make sure it's the right fit for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how Help Scout stacks up against the competition and whether it can truly meet your needs. Stay tuned for the details, and I'll also show you how to try it for free, so keep watching. First, let's talk about its customer service features. Help Scout is known for its straightforward approach to customer support, offering shared inboxes, live chat, and robust reporting. The simplicity of the system makes it a solid choice if you need an easy-to-use platform. Unlike some of its competitors, like Zendesk or Freshdesk, Help Scout doesn't overwhelm you with too many features that you might not even need. If you're looking for something clean, intuitive, and powerful without the clutter, this is a good option. Next thing to consider is the collaboration tools. With Help Scout, your team can work together more efficiently, sharing notes and assignments within the platform. It integrates well with other tools like Slack, Salesforce, and HubSpot, which makes it super easy to streamline your workflow. Unlike some other options that require heavy configuration to integrate, Help Scout's built-in integrations are fairly seamless. If you're already using these tools, you won't have to worry about spending extra time or resources on setting up integrations. Now, the pricing structure. Help Scout doesn't offer a free plan, but it does have a straightforward pricing model that starts at $25 per user per month. Compared to competitors like Zendesk, which can get pricey really fast, Help Scout feels more budget-friendly for small to medium-sized businesses. Keep in mind, however, if you're on a tight budget and only need basic features, you might find the lack of a free plan a bit limiting. But if you're looking for something that won't get too complex, Help Scout offers value for money. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the ticketing system. Help Scout's ticketing system is designed to keep things organized with easy-to-use features for tracking, responding, and categorizing support requests. While other platforms like Freshdesk might have more advanced automation options, Help Scout does an excellent job of keeping things simple. If you don't need overly complicated workflows, this system will get the job done without bogging you down with too many options. Next up, let's talk about Help Scout's reporting and analytics. This is a key feature that businesses often overlook when choosing a customer service platform. With Help Scout, you get insightful reports that allow you to track response times, satisfaction ratings, and team performance. It's not as feature-packed as Zendesk's analytics, but it's perfect for businesses that just want the basics. If you want to get a sense of your team's efficiency without spending hours creating custom reports, Help Scout hits the mark. The sixth thing to know is the knowledge base. If you want to reduce the volume of support tickets and help your customers self-serve, Help Scout's knowledge base is a strong option. It's easy to set up and allows you to publish articles quickly. While competitors like Intercom may offer more robust self-service solutions, Help Scout gives you a great starting point. It's especially useful if you want to save time while still offering good customer support. Finally, let's talk about the user experience. One of Help Scout's strongest points is its user-friendly interface. It's designed for teams that want a hassle-free experience. The platform isn't as complex as other tools like Zendesk or Freshdesk, which means you don't need to spend tons of time learning the ins and outs of the software. If you're a small team or just getting started, Help Scout's simplicity might be exactly what you need to get up and running quickly. If you want to try out Help Scout for yourself, I've linked a free trial in the description below. By signing up through that link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that you won't find elsewhere. In conclusion, Help Scout is an excellent option for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a straightforward customer support tool that won't overwhelm you. It offers all the essentials: shared inboxes, collaboration, ticketing, reporting, at a competitive price. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of larger platforms, it's a great choice if simplicity and ease of use are important to you. To get started and try Help Scout with a free trial, click the first link in the description below.